Have you ever woken up the day after a really good workout feeling like you can't move? You're probably thinking, oh, lactic acid, right? Wrong. What's actually happening is known as delayed onset muscle soreness. This essentially occurs following exercise that involves the lengthening of muscles. This phase of movement is known as eccentric movement. This eccentric movement places pressure on muscles and consequently results in micro damage and tears to microfibrils. As a result, swelling also occurs due to a rush of anti-inflammatory and repairing fluids rushing to the site of the injury. Muscles are composed of many fascicles, which are made up of bundle fibers. Each fiber is a very long strand of myofibrils, with smaller components which are separated by Z-lines and are known as sarcomeres. These are joined by connective tissue proteins, which enable muscle elasticity and for muscles to be held together. During exercise, when excess pressure is applied to these muscle fibers, damage is caused to the cell membranes, which consequently prompts the release of calcium stores, which then release degrading enzymes such as fibers. These attack Z-lines and digestive tissue muscle proteins. While we might feel slightly sore momentarily due to lactic acid buildup, pain really kicks in approximately 72 hours post-exercise, due to the time taken for anti-inflammatory cells and stores to be activated. Some of which include neutrophils and cytokines, which rise in numbers in the 45 minutes following exercise and can remain at such high levels for up to 5 days. These cells release substances such as cytokines, which are responsible for prompting the release of anti-inflammatory cells to rush to the injury site and repair microdamage. The substances which are released during this process, such as cytokines, chemokines, histamines, and others, are responsible for sensitizing nerve endings known as nociceptors, which may then cause pain sensations. The presence of such substances may also then cause an increase in vascular permeability and intramuscular pressure, consequently increasing swelling, which will then further stimulate nociceptors even more, causing greater pain. Although such pain may leave you feeling like a mummy for a couple of days, it is all part of the recovery process. After all, no pain, no gain, right?